When it comes to landers and running e-commerce, we like to use Funnelish. I think 90% of the time we use Funnelish landers just because they allow us to make completely custom product pages. Now the upside of Funnelish is that your page does not get taken down. For instance, with Shopify, if someone DMCAs you, your product page gets taken down and you can lose your account. With Funnelish, this isn't the case. Another upside with Funnelish is that you can make as many funnels as you want with the ease of quickly copying it. The load speed of these funnels will also be way better than other page builders. Once you make an account, you will land on the dashboard. I would not go into the detail about all these metrics because you're not going to be using all these metrics. Ultimately, it's going to be connected to the affiliate dashboard of whatever network that you're using for affiliate Ecom. My team made 3 custom funnels. When I made these funnels are meant to be reused for different kind of products, but the niche is defined and the category is defined. So this lander hasn't been used by anyone else. It's only for affiliates, so it's a great advantage for you. My team made 3 different templates to give you more options. You have the general template, the template for toys, and a template for fashion. I will go into the detail about these templates in a second, covering the most important sections. First, I will show you quickly how this platform works. When I share you these funnels, by clicking the links down below, you will get access to all these themes right away, which means you get every custom element on the page. You won't have to edit too much. This is the editor. It's very simple. All you have to do is just use it once you get the funnel. You just change your pictures and the text and you're good to go. As you can see right here, we have a US flag. You can change this according to the geo that you're going to run the ads in. Now this might all seem a little overwhelming at first. I will show you what you can yourself just change the pictures and the text that it's linked with. As you can see right here, we have a US flag. You can change this according to the geo that you're going to run the ads in. Now this might all seem a little overwhelming for you in the beginning, but in the module structure and team building, I will show you a way to use ChatGPT to quickly make these product page copies, to change this very quickly. So all you have to do is click and change. Easy. You save it. Once you have done your edits, which will only be these sections, this part in the pictures right here, this will also be changed. Your reviews, that's it. You don't have to change too much, as you can see. I will open all 3 templates and explain you the important elements. They contain everything that you need, the things that you can implement on every product page. These are the 3 templates. This is the general template, this is the toy template, and this is the fashion template. Now as you can see, they all look quite similar, but it is the details that make the change. Because let's say a piece of clothing won't fit well with this joyful lander. That's why when you test products, you can easily choose between the right landing page. Now I will go into the details about these landing pages. Of course, 80 to 90% of the visitors will be mobile visitors. In that case, I will show you the mobile view, since that is what most people will use and most people will see. Let's go with the landing page. First of all, as you can see, the logo. This is something that you can choose. You can choose to make a custom logo, or you can have a ready-made logo, which is one time, which you can use anytime for all the products. Basically, just changing the products that you're using. This is the general template, this is the toy template, and this is the fashion template. Now, as you can see, they all look quite similar, but it is the details that make the change. Because let's say a piece of clothing won't fit well with this joyful lander. That's why when you test products, you can easily choose between the right landing page. Now I will go over why these landing pages are so great. Of course, 80 to 90% of visitors will be mobile visitors. In that case, I will show you the mobile view, since that is what most people will see. Let's go over the landing page. First of all, as you can see the logo, this is something that you can choose. You can choose to make it custom per product, or you can make a one-time logo and you can use it every time for any product. Then we have a flag, which you change according to the geo that we're running. I noticed that if you change the flag to the people that you're running it for, it gives them a better message. Next thing is that a countdown timer. This is one of the most important things to implement on your page. since this will make people feel the urgency to buy it. They know that this timer will run out and they think that they're going to lose their chance to buy this product once and for all. This is a custom coded HTML file. So according to the location, when someone opens this page, the timer changes itself. So it won't run out by midnight according to the local time. You mentioned free shipping and 24-hour delivery to give them more trust, to build more trust on your page. Then a big product picture, customer satisfaction rate for extra social proof. This builds more trust, the product name, and then a sub-headline. Usually implement an emotional oriented trigger with this. The easiest way to get rid of neck pain, people with neck pain will feel the trust. Then the price of your e-commerce product, you got to emphasize the price. So this offer is like $6.95. You can change it to whatever your price is based on what the affiliate network is giving you, based on how much they're saving. Totally depends on the backend. And then this right here is custom code as well. This HTML section which says that the current date and how many are left in stock. This updates to the exact day it is and that person's location. Then the buy button. You can change it to only show order now. That's something you have to test yourself. But we noticed that people see the safe 80%, they are more likely to click on it. Right here is a small review under the buy button. Of course, improves social proofing. Some more benefits we have here. If your product doesn't have a GIF, you can just put a stock picture. But I recommend placing a GIF because it shows how the product works and what it does most of the time. The subtle subtitle and then the main title. I'll be explaining in a later video how you can easily change this using ChatGPT, and every text that you read we keep on pushing based on the emotional triggers that people might have. Another section with bullet points. We stretch out the lander quite a lot by giving them as much information as possible about the product and why they should buy it. Then once again some social proofing from other news sites, maybe some more reviews, and then a big money back guarantee for some more social proof for views. This will all be done by ChatGPT or whatever AI it is that you use. Then even more social proof with some Trustpilot reviews. You can add even more. The more social proof, the better. I cannot emphasize this point enough. When you run e-commerce, this is the most important factor because the price is very low. So you need to justify why it's low. And if you have enough social proof, it makes it very believable. That's why we try to add as much social proof as we want. In fact, add it in your ads as well. You got to add the benefit section as well. So these are general, frequently asked questions that you add at the bottom of the funnel. You can leave them as it is. And in the end, we push the urgency one last time by mentioning last chance, the price will increase soon. And then you have the footer, and that's really it. As you can see, we also have a sticky button. This means that people can click any time when they think it's time to buy. This is how the landing page works. This will change according to your product. Now I will quickly show you the toy template to show it's exactly the same. By changing the font and button, it gives it more joyful look, as you can see, but essentially they're all the same. And then the same goes for the fashion template. That's really it. There isn't much to it. So now it's up to you to change the lander for each product by editing it and making it to your own liking. The templates I'm providing you are only in English, so it's up to you to translate it in different languages depending on which country you want to run your e-commerce ads in. This is easily done by just using Deeply. This is a translator I use myself. It's very simple. You just have to copy the text and place it in here. To change it according to the language that you want, you can also use ChatGPT for that factor. But for the HTML section, you cannot translate it by copy pasting. So you'll have to edit the custom HTML right here. And then what you want to do is you want to change this to the language of the country. You want to run it so that the hours, the minutes and the second is all customized. And that's the only thing you have to change for the timer. If we go look at the timer, this will change. The numbers will stay the same. Then for this part, this is also HTML, as you can see right here. You will have to click on here as well. And then you can see right here the title stock update. You have to translate that as well. And then you have to translate as of as well. And only 9 left in stock. So these are the only things you have to edit. We also made the templates responsive. Normally on Funnelish, what you will have to do, you have to edit the desktop view, and you have to do the same thing on the mobile view and the tablet view. What we did is that we added some code that you can see right here. This makes the template responsive on all views. So you only need to edit it once. I can show you right now. We put an exclamation right here, and I go look at the mobile view, and you can see. That way you don't have to edit your template 3 times. You can just edit it once. If you go back and look at the buttons, you might think we have to enter the custom link there as well on every button, but that's a lot of work. Now we also entered some code, so you only have to enter it one time. You can find the code right here. What you have to do is generate your tracking link, your URL, and enter it right here. And that's it. You save the changes, and then the URL will be linked to every button on the entire page, on all page views.